version of the throw that we're going to talk about is the most advanced version, and we're going to talk about varying our release points when we're throwing. So when we're throwing, we're usually going to be throwing against a mark, meaning somebody trying to stop us from throwing. And so rather than just releasing at one point every single time, we need to be able to vary our release points so that we can have multiple options to fake out our mark. The way we're going to do that is we're going to think about trying to practice releasing high, like this, releasing low. The major thing that changes when we do something like a low release, for example, is we have to start intentionally varying the edge of the front edge of the disc. So if I'm releasing low and my edge is just flat, the disc is going to stay flat the whole time. What I need to do to pop it up to my receiver is take my front edge and just point it up a little bit. Then as I'm releasing, more air is going to catch the bottom of the disc and it's going to sail upwards rather than just staying flat. It's opposite if I'm trying to release high. I step across my body and I want to slightly angle my edge down so that as I'm throwing, it's going to curve down towards where I'm aiming. A couple other things that are really important when I'm varying my release points is I still want to maintain a really stable step across position. When I'm trying to get low or trying to get high, I can use my knees to do that. So I can bend my knees to release down here, or I can straighten them up to try and release higher. Alright, so just to give a quick demo of the way the throws are going to look. If I'm doing a low release backhand, stepping across my body, nice stable position, bending my knees a little bit to get lower, and I'm sort of sweeping down when I throw. Popping my front edge up so that as I'm releasing, the disc is going to rise, not go straight. And for a high release backhand demo, still stepping across my body, but I'm staying in a little bit more raised of a position. My hand is coming a little bit above my head. The angle of the disc is going to be just slightly down so that I'm not starting high and having the disc sail higher. I want to start high and have the disc curve down so it's hitting my target at about chest height. So up here.